Welcome to the More Money, More Freedom YouTube channel. In this video, I will compare the performance of 5 high-paying dividend stocks to an index fund. In my last video, I talked about 5 cheap stocks that pay high dividends. Although getting paid dividends is nice, it isn't always the best option of getting the highest total return. In my first comparison, I go back to January 1st, 2019, and I invest $100 into each of the 5 stocks, and then I add $250 a month to my portfolio, or $50 into each stock. From January 1st, 2019 to September 30, 2021, I would have invested a total of $8,750. Over that time period, I would have gotten paid out $1,280 in dividends alone. If I did the same setup of investing $500 at first and then adding $250 to the SPY index fund, over that same time period, I would have received only $247 in dividends. That's a $1,000 difference. But my total account value would make up for that. As with the index fund, I would have made 23% on my investment versus with the 5 stocks, I would have only made 2%. At the end of this time period, the 5 dividend stocks would be worth around $7,700 versus the index fund would be worth $11,600. Now, if I do a more simple investment consisting of a one-time $10,000 investment on January 1st, 2019, I'd end up making $2,481 in dividend payouts from the 5 dividend stocks, but my account value would drop to $6,400. With the index fund, I would get only $616 in dividends, but my account value would grow to over $17,000. The problem with this kind of comparison is that we're going back in time. And on January 1st, 2019, 2 out of the 5 stocks were trading for well over $10. So it's not a best illustration of the strategy that I went over in my last video of investing into high-paying dividend stocks that cost under $10. But if your goal is to live off of the dividend payments only, then putting together a solid portfolio of high-paying dividend stocks may be the way to go, even if you don't end up making more money in the long run. With that said, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't watched the other video of the 5 stocks that I used in this comparison, then go ahead and click here and check it out. And remember, more money, more freedom.